Hello everybody, we are next to UC Riverside, and coming up over there on the left is a car wash called USA Auto Spa. I've visited this car wash once before, several years ago, and you can see it's actually a very popular place. There's actually a line to use the automatic. This is a Washworld Razor, and you can see that truck over there is making their payment selections right now. But while we're waiting, we can kind of get a glance at the rest of the car wash. You have the automatic right there. It says they're now accepting debit and credit cards. The logo for USA Auto Wash right there. And then all of the manual bays. Looks like you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 manual bays and plenty of vacuums as well. So you can actually see there's quite a line to use the manual bays as well, not just on the automatic. Alright, it's almost our turn to pay, so before we do that, take a look at our wash options. Got the ceramic for $13, the works for $9, and the deluxe for $7, and the basic for $5. This is actually, it says it's called the Good Time Car Wash, but the this says otherwise. Maybe it just got bought out recently. The person in front of us is getting underbody. Looks like we're getting a little car wash right now. See this well-worn pay station. You can see we're secure with crypto pay. Sounds fancy. Use our super secure credit card. It says verifying card. You can't really see it all that well. Sale approved. Thank you. And now we wait. Oof. Glad I finished paying. We're getting misted. Alright, looks like they're going through the dryers now. Just waiting for our light to turn green. Side blasters right now. Oh, guess I ran out of time on that. Starting out with pre-soak. Status says cleaning right there. Looks like we're going for a second round of the pre-soak. Once again, very good coverage. Probably going to do the high pressure rinse now. Yep. Going to do a double pass on the front, which is always a nice touch. I'm running the wipers a lot so you can see the system better. To be honest, this is more for the sake of a video than actually getting the car clean, because it's already been through 2 car washes today and 1 yesterday. So we're doing a triple foam. It says sealant on the wash sign there. Very nice coverage. Gonna do a quick high pressure rinse through the top manifolds. Some of the Razor Edge models will actually apply. Oh, this one actually does do it. You see, like, it's applying the next thing as it's rinsing off the last step. That's really cool design by Washworld. The status signage doesn't say anything, but it's probably Rain-X or whatever they use for rain sealant, rain protectant. Rinsing that off. Looks like it wasn't really applying anything on the way back like it did on that first pass.
A sealant product is now being applied to your vehicle.
I think this is the same sealant as before. It's probably applying it twice, which is pretty generous. You see, it's weird as it only announces what pass it's on for some of the products. Now it's going to clear its lines out, and then we're going to do the spot for your rinse. It's only about a 3-minute wash, so it does quite a bit in a short period of time, which is good because there's a lot of people behind me waiting. So it may not have the capacity of a tunnel wash, but for an in-bay automatic, this isn't too bad. So we're gonna go. What's weird is that this one actually stops at the back and then tells me to pull forward. So I'll go ahead and get ready to do that. Looks like you get only a minute of dryer time. These look like Premier dryers, but they also might be from Washworld. Oh yeah, you can't really see it, but it has the Premier logo on the side nozzles. Down to 30 seconds of dryer time already, so I kind of gotta go quick through this. But spot free rinse coverage looked pretty complete, so even if I don't get a decent dry, it'll still do okay. Get out of the way so the person behind me can enter. Yeah, I gotta say, either I'm not sure if this is Good Time or USA. I really don't know. Whoever owns this place is doing a good job at keeping up maintenance on this. Everything seems to work really well, and for $13 for a top wash, that isn't really that bad at all. And I got some mist from whatever the person next to me was doing, so that's probably going to ruin the job it did. Yeah, some mist came out of the manual bays and got onto my car, so that probably just screwed up the job it did, but it's alright. You know me, I'll probably hit another car wash up to fix that mess. Well, with that being said, that's going to go ahead and conclude this video. I really hope you enjoyed that, and that will be it.